Good morning, students. Our today's topic is animal reproduction. This topic is for class 8th. So let's start the topic in detail. So, what is reproduction? Reproduction is a process by which living things give birth to new generation of organism of the same kind. Now, what is the importance of reproduction? Reproduction is important because without it, a species would not survive over time. Individuals must reproduce to ensure that they will continue on over generation of time. So students, as you know, there are two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So first of all, asexual reproduction, the reproduction in which offsprings are produced by a single parent without the union of sex cells is called asexual reproduction. While in sexual reproduction, the reproduction in organism by the union of male and female sex cells, or we can say gametes, is called sexual reproduction. Now we discuss about the female reproductive system. So female reproductive system, the female reproductive organs, following are the female reproductive organs: ovaries, oviduct, uterus, vagina. Ovaries are the real reproductive organ in the female. Ovaries make the female gamete called egg, or we can say ova. In human being, ova mature, egg released into the oviduct every month by one of the ovary. The fertilization of egg by a sperm takes place in the oviduct. So this is the diagram of the female reproductive system. And you can see the ovaries, oviduct and uterus in the diagram. After the female reproductive system, we will discuss about the male reproductive system. The male reproductive organ consists of the following organs: testis, scrotal sac, epididymis, sperm duct, sperm vesicles and penis. Testes are the real reproductive organ in male. Testes make male gamete called sperms. Testes pass the sperm from the male body to the female body that causes fusion. So here is the diagram of the male reproductive system. After the male and female reproductive system, we will discuss about fertilization. The first step in the process of reproduction is the fusion of a male and female gamete, that is sperm and an ovum. When sperm come in contact with an egg, one of the sperm may fuse the egg. Such fusion of the egg and the sperm is called fertilization. After the fertilization, zygote is formed. A zygote is always synthesized from the union of two gametes and constitute the first stage in a unique organism's development. Zygotes are usually produced by a fertilization event between two haploid cells, an ovum female gamete and a sperm cell male gamete, which combine to form the single diploid cell. Such zygote contain DNA derived from both the parents, and this provide all the genetic information necessary to form a new individual. So student, after the zygote, embryo will form. Fertilization results in the formation of zygote, which begins to develop into embryo. The zygote divide repeatedly to give rise to a ball of cells. The cells then begin to form groups that develop into different tissues and organs of the body. This developing structure is termed as an embryo. The embryo gets embedded in the wall of uterus for the development. Now embryo is developed into fetus. The stage embryo in which all body parts can be seen is called fetus, and this process takes place in uterus. This is the diagram of fetus in the uterus. So students, I hope you like the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye all.